This presentation should help you get started on your CDA portfolio. It addresses competency standard, also referred to as competency statements. Your task is to put together a portfolio. It will be a reflection of your own teaching practices. It's all about you and your work with young children. The bulk of the portfolio is writing 6 reflective statements of competence and collecting 10 resources. These are the 6 competency standards. You will base your writings on these 6 areas. Nothing unusual, it's what we do every day. This is taken from page 15 in the CDA manual. One reflective statement for each of the standards listed on the previous slide. We teach 3 early childhood courses here at FSW, and you would submit 2 reflective statements and their resources in each class. In this class, you will submit statements 1 and 2. Each reflective statement starts with a general paragraph describing how what you do, how and what you teach meets the standard. Many students write a paragraph for each of the functional areas. If you look on page 38 in the CDA manual, you will see the standards and their functional areas. For Standard 1, it is safe, healthy, and learning environment. So if you prefer to write a short paragraph on each functional area, that's your choice. Besides these introductory paragraphs, you will reflect on the sample menu presented in your resources. How does it reflect your commitment to children's nutritional needs? CS1B is reflection on your room environment. How does this reflect your philosophy on how children learn? CS1C is a reflection on your weekly lesson plans. These are all listed on page 15 in your CDA manual. I spoke about the resource collection. Each statement has related resources. So for Competency 1, you will need a CPR First Aid Pediatric certification, a copy of your weekly menu. If your school does not serve lunches, you can make up one, and then your weekly lesson plans. Again, these are all part of our daily interactions within our classrooms. Competency Statement 2. You will start with the introductory paragraph or 4 short paragraphs on the functional areas, which for Competency Standard 2 are physical, cognitive, communication, and creative. Then comes the specific reflections. This time it's based on learning experiences or learning activities. So for each paragraph you are assigned a different area. One is on physical development, one is on cognitive, one is on creative, and the last one is communication language arts. Nothing unusual here, stuff that we do every day in our classrooms. There is one resource for Standard 2, 9 learning activities. Please note, these activities should be written in your own words. Again, this is stuff that you do every day in your classrooms. If you don't, now you know what you should concentrate on. So, that's writing reflective statements. This is just a summary of what your finished portfolio will contain. Nothing unusual. Yes, it is a great deal of work, but everybody says that it's good productive work because it gives you a chance to really think about and analyze what you do every day. Becoming a reflective practitioner is a big step in your growth as a professional. Any questions or concerns, just let me know. This should be a worthwhile process for you.